In this video, I will import a simple floor plan and rescale the plan according to the actual size of drawing. First, I would like to change the view because top view is most helpful when you work in 2D environment. Go to Camera and go to Standard View, choose Top. And now I will import the plan view. Go to File and Import, and I am choosing this file, Room Plan, and make sure you are using as image. Check this option, Image, and all supported types, and click on Import. And now you can see it's attached to my cursor. And we can place this floor anywhere in the drawing area. And I want to draw in this quadrant. So I choose origin as first point, click and release. And now move the cursor upward and click and release to choose the end point. Zoom in. SketchUp doesn't recognize the wall, lines, and dimension lines. It just recognizes this floor plan as an image. However, we need to scale it to fit the dimension. And then we can also transform this floor plan into 3D. First, find the largest dimension on the plan. In this plan is 15 feet. The best way is to rescale the plan, draw a reference line. Activate the line tool by clicking this icon here and zoom in and click in the middle of line. Click and release, and now go to the opposite edge. Make sure the line is along red axis. Zoom in a little bit more and choose the mid of line. Click and release. And now zoom out and activate the tape measure tool by clicking this icon. Choose the first point, click and release, and the end point. And now you can see the length of line 3 feet and some change in the lower right corner. And now I am going to overwrite 15 feet. You can see in the lower right corner and press enter. Do you want to resize the model? And choose yes. And now simply go to zoom extent and click over here. And now if you hover over this line, you can see the length of line is 15 feet right now. Now we can draw a floor plan over this scaled plan